Hey guys, we're over here at the All-Star Movies Resort. We're going to give you a room tour. There's one of the signs you're going to see if you don't want to be bothered over here. You're going to put your magical band up against the door. It lights up. I'll show you one more time. Let you on in. This is what you're going to see as you guys are walking on in here. Nice size room. Pretty much all the All-Star Resort rooms are like this. It's a big hotel room pretty much. Got your window. And pretty much a hotel room in here. You got your 2 queen size beds with your headboard that's in the middle of them there. It's kind of like a huge headboard. You got your banner up on top. Break into your little closet area here. So I'm doing a little bit of cutting here and there. You got your sink, you got your tub, you got your toilet, and up above you got a little rope there. It's not a bad size hotel room. When you get in here, guys, there's a little bit of room in here. You know, it's roomy, it's fun. But this is pretty much all the hotel rooms that are like this in the All-Star resorts. But this is what you get when you're over here, guys. All-Star Music Resort.